In the past, it was believed that once the brain was damaged, it was damaged forever. Even when patients recovered from a brain injury, scientists still thought that damaged nerve cells could neither be repaired nor replaced. However, new evidence suggests that the brain is much more resilient than previously thought. The brain has the ability to repair and replace damaged cells, and to create new neural pathways to bypass damaged areas. This allows the brain to heal itself in multiple ways, which is incredible considering the complex functions that the brain performs. If you want to learn more about the brain's healing powers, stay tuned. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Now, we're going to take a look at what recent neuroscience has uncovered about healing in the brain. Our brains are amazing organs that have the ability to repair damage. There are several mechanisms that help improve brain function, including reducing brain inflammation, regulating what can get through the blood-brain barrier, improving energy supply in our brain cells, and angiogenesis, the making of new blood vessels. How well these functions work depends on our overall health. All of these healing mechanisms respond well to positive lifestyle changes. However, some are also dependent on our age and which cells are damaged. One specific method of brain cell repair is neuroplasticity, which is the formation of alternative, information-carrying nerve pathways. These bypass damaged nerves that used to carry the same information. In terms of brain healing, we've known about neuroplasticity the longest. Another method of repair is myelin repair, which is the repairing of nerve cell insulation. Most of the brain's nerve cells, or neurons, are myelinated. Myelin is a layer of insulation that keeps electrical signals inside a cell until they reach its end. However, sometimes, due to factors such as inflammation, nerve cells and the insulation surrounding them can become damaged. Myelin repair involves healing part of the nerve cell called the axon. This part strengthens and transmits electrical signals. Myelin damage can usually be repaired, but the rate of myelin repair in the brain is lower than in nerve cells outside the central nervous system. The last brain healing mechanism is neurogenesis, which is the creation of new nerve cells. Scientists used to think neurogenesis never happened inside the brain, but it turns out that this is not the case. So, how does the brain create new nerve cells? Stem cells are cells that can change into one or more specialized cell types. Babies and young children have huge numbers of brain stem cells. And scientists were certain that, as we age, these stem cells get used up. However, it turns out that stem cells actually do reproduce throughout adulthood, just at slower and slower rates. Brain nerves might not regenerate quickly, but the brain can manufacture new, healthy cells. Scientists are still trying to answer this question. However, what we do know is that the brain has an amazing ability to heal itself. With the right lifestyle choices and a positive attitude, we can help our brains heal and function at their best. Stay with us, because we're going to get a little technical. Different types of brain cells. Your brain contains two main groups. The brain is the central computer of the entire body, so a nerve cell problem here can cause problems anywhere. Neurons send messages throughout the body while glial cells help to regulate which molecules enter and exit the brain, and also help to clean away debris. The brain stem is the earliest stage of life, and radial glial stem cells produce millions of new brain cells. However, we only recently discovered that stem cells can also divide to produce more stem cells, even when we are adults. Let's find out. The best ways to heal my brain. We are learning more and more about how to heal the brain, but there is still a lot we don't know. However, there is some amazing research out there that is giving us insight into how the brain can heal itself. In one study, scientists at 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞 Hospital fed one group of young and elderly rats a standard diet. A second group was given a diet rich in blueberry, green tea, vitamin D, and carnosine. Compared to the young rats in the same group, the elderly rats on the standard diet had very few brain stem cells. The few stem cells they had didn't divide quickly at all. But after only 28 days, the elderly rats on the high-nutrient diet had comparable stem cell numbers and division rates as the young rats. This shows that the brain has the ability to heal itself, even as we age. However, we need to give it the right nutrients to do so. All natural foods are packed with powerful antioxidants. Vitamins, minerals, proteins, amino acids, and plant polyphenols all reduce oxidative stress. When antioxidant nutrients can pass through the blood-brain barrier, they reduce brain inflammation. And the best way to get nutrients past this strict barrier is with natural foods, especially vegetables, mushrooms, fruits, nuts, and seeds. The nutrients in plant-based foods are better absorbed inside the brain. They also feed our gut bacteria. Countless gut-brain axis studies explain how gut bacteria byproducts can affect brain function in extremely positive ways. For example, results from a 2021 study showed that giving probiotics to stroke victims shortened hospital stays and reduced levels of TNF-alpha and IL-6. TNF-alpha and IL-6 are inflammatory chemicals. Both are produced in high quantities immediately after brain injury. But nutrition is only one way to heal the brain. Some anti-anxiety medications, like SSRIs, increase neurogenesis. But lowering stress naturally achieves the same effect. Exercise is one proven stress-lowering activity. And exercise just happens to also increase neurogenesis. So, when it comes to healing your brain, feeding it the right nutrients, controlling chronic inflammatory diseases like diabetes, and living a low-stress lifestyle are all proven, natural ways to heal your brain and body. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.